Good evening. Tonight, let's take a quiet journey to the coast of Enoshima. We will visit the deep, peaceful waters where delicate creatures drift through the dark. Our first word means ocean.
海、海、
The ocean is very quiet.
海はとても静かです。
Beneath the waves, graceful shapes move like dancers in the night. They have no hurry, only a gentle rhythm as they breathe with the water. Our next word means jellyfish.
クラゲ、クラゲ、
The jellyfish are swimming slowly.
クラゲがゆっくり泳いでいます。
They let the currents carry them, surrendering completely to the gentle embrace of the sea. There is no resistance, only peaceful surrender. Our next word means floating.
浮かぶ、浮かぶ、
They are floating in the water.
水の中に浮かんでいます。
Watching them drift is like watching stars in a liquid sky. Their delicate bodies catch the soft illumination, glowing like tiny lanterns. Our next word means light.
光、光、
I can see a gentle light.
優しい光が見えます。
As you watch their slow, rhythmic pulse, your own breathing begins to match theirs. The worries of the day simply drift away into the deep blue. Our final word means dream.
夢、夢、
Please have good dreams.
良い夢を見てください。
May your mind float as freely as the jellyfish tonight, carried by gentle currents into a peaceful rest. Good night.
おやすみなさい。